when the sun goes down and darkness blankets the sky, there is one who roams the Kyle Public Library alone in the darkness. And this person is me, Dylan the Skeleton. I am here today to give you a special tour of the Kyle Public Library. Yes, some say it is haunted. I say it is fun. The best thing about it, I don't have to wear any clothes since no one is around. Come with me, and I will show you the darkest corridors of the Kyle Public Library at night. All right, come on, let's go. Out! That last step is slippery. All right. Let's try this again. Watch yourself, Dylan. Don't fall down like an idiot. Yeah.
Let me open this door here. Using the powers of the mystic stone, I, Dylan the Skeleton, command you, door to open! Open! Ah! Oh, it opened. Ah, yes. The dark foyer, where I can hear myself echo! Echo! Ah, yes. Look, a trash can. Quite dark. What is that light there? Yes, it is the men's room. Ah, this is a good place for me to wash my skeletal hands. Put some soap here. Ah, yes. It's a good habit to wash your hands. I'm washing my hands. There. They are now clean. Let me get this paper towel right here. Drying my hands. Away with you. Now we shall once again enter the library. Yes. Here's a good area. Early readers. For children. And some adults. Ah, how dark it is here. Picture books. If you require pictures in your books, this is a good section. when I'm looking. This is the section that I often visit when I want to read Peppa Pig. Or Pete the cat. Where else shall we go? Oh. Shall I use the computer? No need. I'm busy giving you a tour. Yes. Look above. A very spooky, flickering light. I told you, this library is haunted. I must reach the top. Oh! I almost forgot to check my email. Now, if I could only remember my password. What? It won't log me in. No! This is immensely frustrating. Oh. Since I'm here, I might as well order a pizza. Oh, how does this thing work? Hello? This is Dylan. I'd like to order a pizza. Extra cheese. What do you mean you're closed? You fool! Plenty of things to read for an eternity. Thank you, boys and girls, for joining me. Dylan, the skeleton, and my favorite library ever. And it is also the place I call home. We'll see you next time, my friends. Where I, Dylan, will tell you the most ghastly of stories and terrifying tales of tuna. That's right, tuna from the murky depths of the seven seas. Be safe, my friends. Don't be fooled.